1.2 grams per day of this rice to repair kidney damage and to say goodbye to bad cholesterol in just 8 weeks. In this video, the rice that is more powerful than a medicine when it comes to lowering creatinine levels and bad cholesterol. The extract of this rice can lower LDL levels by 26% in just 8 weeks. Guys, this is a result people can only get with statins in high doses. No other remedy comes even close. This is one of the few remedies on earth that was ever studied as a way to actually repair kidney damage, which is really impressive. This molecule has also been used for thousands of years for heart health, blood pressure, diabetes, and inflammation. There are many studies confirming that it actually works, at the point that pharmaceutical companies patented the active compound of this remedy and turned it into one of the most used medications for kidney health. This is because when it comes to kidney and heart health, it's incredibly important to keep bad cholesterol levels under control. Never let high cholesterol levels go untreated. This is not just a cause of atherosclerosis, a condition in which your organs progressively stop working. It's also a constant cause of kidney damage. Guys, keeping cholesterol levels under control is a must if you are going to improve kidney function. And the best natural way of doing this is with red yeast rice extract. This is a substance that's extracted from rice that's been fermented with a special type of yeast. It's been used in Asian countries for centuries as a traditional medicine and as a food ingredient. It has so many healing properties. The extract of this rice is the most powerful natural remedy in the world against cholesterol. Actually, the active ingredient of red yeast rice, monocholine K, is the same active ingredient you may find in statins such as Mevacor or Alteprev. Now guys, this natural remedy is incredibly potent and good for you, but it also comes with a danger that you must avoid. Don't take red yeast rice before watching the rest of this video. There are a couple of things you absolutely need to know about red yeast rice extract and monocholine K that we are going to see in the next few minutes. Taking this natural remedy without knowing about the danger posed by citrulline will be dangerous. So let's bust a myth about the red yeast rice immediately. Many people believe that this natural remedy was banned by the FDA in the US because it is dangerous. Question: did the FDA really ban red yeast rice because it's dangerous? Nope, they didn't ban it because it's dangerous. And also, you can actually buy it legally even from Amazon.com and even with a high enough monocholine K content. On the other hand, it is true that the FDA has stated that red yeast rice products that contain monocholine K should be considered a prescription, subjecting them to stricter regulations than standard over-the-counter supplements. However, it's clear that they are not banning this remedy because it's dangerous. I mean, the European Union is even stricter when it comes to safety on natural remedies, and yet I can literally buy red yeast rice extract with a high monocholine content even at the supermarket. Maybe it's because people here don't have to pay thousands of dollars for the medications they need. This natural remedy was used for centuries before statins were invented. It is effective and it doesn't have any more side effects than statins. It costs a lot less than statins in the US and it's regularly available without a prescription in Europe and in other countries with free healthcare. It's only banned in the US where pharmaceutical companies can literally squeeze you to the last penny if you need to take statins. It's clear, in my opinion, that the FDA is just trying to limit the availability on the market of this very powerful remedy just because it can impact the profit pharmaceutical companies make selling statins. We have already seen this happening with other very safe natural remedies such as NAC, for example, which is very safe and it's only banned because some company was able to patent it. This is why I think that you shouldn't be worried about what the FDA says about red yeast rice. What you should be more concerned about is the content of two very important substances, monocholine K and citrulline. Guys, never buy a red yeast rice supplement that doesn't clearly list the monocholine K content. The FDA ban caused many brands to flood the market with supplements that contain little to none monocholine K. These are basically useless, and trying to use them to keep cholesterol under control will be dangerous. So always double check that monocholine K is clearly listed on the label in doses ranging between 3 and 10 milligrams. More about the right dosage in a moment. Even more important, double check that the manufacturer certified that there's no citrulline in the supplement. This is the worst danger linked to RYR. RYR that's not carefully cultivated has been found in some cases to contain a byproduct called citrulline. This is a mycotoxin that's known to damage the kidneys and other organs. This is why it's extremely important to double check that the supplements you buy are made in certified good manufacturing practices (CGMP) facility, and that they have been third-party tested for purity and ingredients, ensuring that the supplement is labeled honestly and is free of contaminants. Let's see now how to take it. Guys, when it comes to natural remedies, finding the right combination of remedy can make all the difference. There is one remedy that's a must when taking either RYR or even regular statins. Both RYR and statins are known to seriously decrease the levels of CoQ10. Keeping CoQ10 levels right is essential for good health. The most concentrated levels of CoQ10 are found in the organs that require the most energy, including the heart, liver, and kidneys. Coenzyme Q10 is a vitamin-like nutrient that's in every cell of your body, and it's also a common deficiency. Health conditions like heart disease, brain disorders, diabetes, and cancer have been linked to low levels of CoQ10. So it's best to take CoQ10 at least 90 to 120 milligrams daily to prevent a dangerous deficiency when taking red yeast rice or statins. What is the right dose for red yeast rice extract? Doses ranging from 1200 to 4800 milligrams have been studied in clinical trials, typically containing about 10 milligrams of total monocholine. Most major supplement brands on the market generally recommend taking between 12,000 to 2 and 400 milligrams daily, divided into 2 to 3 doses. Remember that when you are taking a natural remedy that is as powerful as red yeast rice, you really want your doctor to support you finding the right dose. Bottom line, now guys, we have seen today that there is a home remedy that has the same properties and even some of the same side effects of some of the most widely prescribed medications, statins. And I understand that this may be a little confusing. You may ask, should I take statins or red yeast rice for cholesterol and heart health? Well, it depends on two things, your wallet and your doctor. Some people have doctors that completely forbid them to take natural medications, and that may be put off by something as powerful as red yeast rice. So if your doctor says that you must take statins, do what they say. Now, if you cannot afford to pay for statins and have to renounce to something else, consider using this cheap supplement. Remember that it can be just as effective as statins and even safer. But what you absolutely want is to keep the dose for either of these medications as low as possible. You see, both statins and RYR have side effects that grow exponentially with the dose. If you can take them at the lowest dose possible, you may get all the benefits and almost no side effects according to many studies. So what I really recommend you to do is to keep cholesterol levels down with a complete lifestyle and dietary approach that will minimize the need for medications. Please watch my video up here so I can show you the best tips, good habits and foods to achieve this. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.